Hi everyone, I have the April box from Your Creative Studio. I'll leave them linked down below on their website, and I will also leave a link to their Instagram. So this packaging I always save. I want to start making a junk journal out of all of these and some of their products. So I've been slowly building stuff up, so I save these. And let me push this to the side and let's see what we got. We have a cling stamp here. So we have a hand with a paintbrush. Oh, there's more in there. And oh, that's cute. There is a cup of paintbrushes. I like that one a lot. We have another cling stamp here. And we have a easel. And we have a dude here. I don't know who he is. If you guys know, let me know. And it looks like we have a paint palette in this one. Oh, there's two. So we have the paint palette and another paint palette. Those are really cool. We have washi tape in this one. I do save the envelopes. I have saved them and turned them into like a little flip book before. So I do save those. And here is our washi. So it looks like the paintbrush right there. And then it looks like a little paint tube there. So that's our washi. Ooh, I love this background. It looks like a postcard. And then we got little stamps here. So love that. We have a whole variety. Oh, I like that blue one of stamps. Love those. Can definitely ink them up to make them look a little bit more vintage, but keep the packaging. Look at how nice that postcard is. That would be really, really cute for a junk journal. And we have a lot of pieces in this one. We have some little twine in here. We have some vellum stickers. I really like that one. It looks like a little postage stamp. So there's some vellum. And this is just like ephemera. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that one. Definitely ink these up. Ooh, a little cash receipt. We have some tags and some more tags. Love that one. Ooh, there's a little ticket in there too. Oh, those are going to be fun. I like those vellum ones. Then we have, looks like ephemera, maybe possibly stickers. Oh, these are thick. Oh, there's two in there. They're still thick though. They are ephemera. Yeah, those are not stickers. So those are nice thick ephemera pieces. Looks like you get two of everything here. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. With the paintbrush with the little flowers. That is really, really pretty. What is this one back here? Oh, a little paint tube. Those are really cute. Then we have a sheet of stickers with some little stamps. We have, I think it's paper maybe? Like a little strip. Those might be stickers. Let's see. That is, oh, it's like a washi. So it's like a washi little sticker. That's cool. So we have a little strip book. Oh, there are different designs. So that's another design. There's another design. There's another one. That's really cool. I don't think I have any strips of washi like that. Oh, cute. Look, we have another little pack here. definitely saving all the twine to use in a project. Let's see. So it comes with like a little pocket, and then we have some paper back here. Oh, look. This one kind of looks like a little basket weave. There's that one. This looks like handmade paper. Oh, I think there's another one. Oh, yeah. See, look at all the fibers. Oh, I want to make my own paper so bad. I have everything. I just need to find the time. So you can definitely use some of this twine in making your own hand paper, because look how cool that looks. And then, oh, we just have, looks like little like leisure books and some postcards. Then you have some tags, some ephemera, and then, oh, days of the week. Oh, that's cool. I kind of want to use that for scrapbooking though. To have like the little days of the week. Love that. We have a stamp set with our brushes and some like little ink splatters. Oh, I love this stuff. They send like tissue paper. So we have this like vintage looking little tubes of paint. And our last item is our paper. So we have 24 sheets, 6 are stickers, 6 are vellum, 6 are paper art, and 6 are pattern. And then here are our designs. Let's open this up so we can take a better look at all of our designs in here. There's one of the vellum pieces. I wanted to show you guys the packaging. There you go. See, look at how pretty that is. You can definitely save this and turn it into a little mini junk journal. That's really cute. So let's see. Here are our patterns. So we have our paintbrushes with our flowers. I think these are the sticker pages. And then we have our little paint tubes. And then we got a little lady right here. Oh, that's cute. That kind of reminds me of like tile. Then here is our little painting scene. Oh, that's pretty. The little florals right there. And then here is, I think this is what they call like the art paper, where it has like texture to it. So we have those. And then here is just our pattern paper. This is just like printer paper. And then we have our vellum back here. I love the vellum. Their vellum is so beautiful every time. The vellum is my favorite. Love that. So that's our little kit. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to their Instagram, to their website, so you guys can go check them out. They are a subscription service, or you can buy the boxes individually as long as they have leftovers. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.